to my YouTube channel, Ask My Lawyer Mom. I also can be found at theonelawyer.com. We are here, we created this channel to answer the most common questions that we get in all these years, and someone asks me the most questions. So what question do you have for me today, Ryan?
Hi, I'm Ryland. Mom, I know you can talk about car insurance all the time. Do you have to have car insurance?
Yes, and most people do know that, but it is mandatory in every state in the union and in Nevada to carry liability insurance. That's the only type of coverage that you have to cover, and that's insurance that covers someone else that you hit. So you're required by law to carry injury insurance and property damage insurance for people that you hit, not necessarily yourself.
What happens if I forget to pay my car insurance bill? Is it still good for a few days?
Not in Nevada. In Nevada, there is no grace period. So the day that your car insurance comes due, if you didn't pay it, you are no longer covered at 12/01 on that date. So this is not a bill that you want to throw on a pile and forget about.
What happens if I forget to pay my car insurance and I remember to pay it?
So if you pay the car insurance late, which I think is what you're asking me, then what happens is that you have what's called a gap in coverage. And that means from the point that that insurance policy came due till the point that you finally paid it, you're not covered. So if you are in an accident or your car is stolen or a tree falls on it or anything happens during that time that you are not covered, that you didn't pay, then you're not covered.
Can the police ask me for a copy of my car insurance?
Yes, and they almost always will. And if you don't have that proof of coverage in your vehicle, you will get a ticket for not having proof, even if you really do have insurance. So that is something that you always want to remember, to put that little card in your glove box along with your registration.
Can I show them my car insurance on my cell phone?
Yes, you can, and now we live in a digital age, but you've always got to remember, to pull it up on your cell phone, you're going to have to go into the carrier, and you have to put in your password, and you have to put in your code, and maybe your policy, and it's going to take some period of time for you to pull that up. And in the world we live in, police don't appreciate you holding any objects and a metal object of your phone, so you really just want to have that piece of paper. It just would make your life a lot easier, but technically, yes, you could pull that up. But the most important thing about this video is that there is no grace period if you don't pay your car insurance, so it's one of those things I would say put that on your auto pay.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments down below.
You can find me at theonelawyer.com if you have any other questions.